What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
NEWLINK, I recommend this channel, people. You see Par TV, oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Attack. Par TV is one of the baddest, the top channel right now, people. And I'm asking you, please go over there and check out their contents, people. Please go over there and subscribe, people, because I'm telling you, it's a really informative channel. And I'm telling you, people, it's like the sister channel to NEWLINK. So Par TV, people, I'm going to leave a link right down below so you can just go over there and check out the contents. Peace. Yes, Jaja. Big man up at Portland now. Jaja. So now and now, people been talking, people been asking. Big man up at Portland, what name people? What them saying name? Beacha? Well, that one and I look good either, people. Now NEWLINK are going at it deep, because you know, so NEWLINK not keep one side to no story where it's like them apart. Yeah. That one and I look so good. Lady finding at the car. Bus. Car catch a fire. Body a burn. Close to our yard. That one and I look so good, you know. Something the right NEWLINK. Investigation for go on. Dig up NEWLINK, dig it up. Well, breaking down the whole story and what go on, I'm telling you something now. This lady now, people, she ain't an old girl, old person, young female, just 32 years old. Young girl, right? Husband, big man for her. Yeah, man, big man for her. Could have be her father too. No joke thing about it. Well, she have family, she have sister. Her mother is alive, could have been dead. Because when news reached NEWLINK now, people, just over a year ago, her mother and father was shot in Portland. Unfortunately, her father didn't make it, her mother survived. It was a shocker to the family because they never expect it, or they know the father never involved in no criminal activities or any bad things, so they was wondering where it's coming from. But some local things are go on, keep down. Well, people, the husband of this female, who they say is a popular businessman in Portland, right now, big man, top man, right? Remember that, as I do in the first vlog, they said he lost his first wife in 2009. She was shot close to where this happened also, and killed. A lot of people been talking, a lot of people been speculating. NEWLINK conducting more information, people, leading to where it go back to in the United States. And it is where, oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK, the female, what's she name, people? Tony Ann McDonald'S, that's her name? Okay. That female who was killed by her husband, who them say a man who work with the US Marine or way, soldier, whatever. Mix up, I don't check. Hey. So them say this now, man who did kill that nice, beautiful Jamaica, because all of them, you know, people are from Portland, lead back to this. So this man is the son of this popular businessman. And what he did, remember, you know, people, when they do to this female people, was one of the most brutalist thing, because them check it out, people. The man, they like set the woman ablaze, then him carry her, go on far apart, go dash up, so. You get me? Him know if he do him thing. See? And then I try to destroy evidence, and then I try to fly out, and then holy man catch him. Now he in a prison at the time. Hope him get there. People in NEWLINK top use a chair and deal with ejection. But listen, when I say chair, I still ejection. Because remember, you know, when I get the injection, I still have to go in a chair. So when I get it right, the chair can be two things. Either the current or the ejection. So both of them carry the chair. You know what I mean? Sometimes they put them for lie down, but most of the time they put them in the chair and strap them, then give them an injection and then do like this and till them just gone out. Well, wickedness are going on in the bloods. So now people, going through comments, going through this, going through that, checking up and reading, because people, I tell you now, NEWLINK is him own investigator. Me do my own investigator and get investigating them at times being and looking into everything, my viewers and subscribers. You know, look good, NEWLINK. Something not right. Well, this female, people, she was a nice girl, very jovial girl, them say. Very great girl, fun girl. Keep her big birthday party. People are say where she keep a big birthday party. She have Spice there back in 2017. Spice performing free. She keep it. People are pay for going. Big old Stone Love plus other son. Food free all day. Only thing them buy was the liquor. Much people at Jamaica go book Spice, and you know what I mean? Just say she was a good girl, so she was well loved up there. Lot of people love her. See? But something not right, people. I have seen where plenty people are saying some big insurance money behind the deaths of these women. And people are speculating and saying, Hosey, you know what I mean, getting some big insurance, which it can't confirm by NEWLINK. These are all allegations. But when I'm looking into things, people, something don't right. And if Jamaica do got some real investigators, just like the one who did deal with Tony and case back over to the state and conduct them investigate until them find out say this boy, you know, they do that brutal act to the nice, beautiful female, people. Something going to go down over in Portland there. Something going to go down because something not right. What you going to tell me? Look at a thing like that, people. A man I go abduct a female, bust the throat, set her ablaze. What she could have really mixed up in her? What kind of problem she and persons could have in her that the husband don't involve? Because married as a couple should be a team, and people are here that there was a team. She was like working in his business and all of that. So what's really there behind all of this? Something not right. Something go down. Because people and people can marry, you know. This year, you know. That year good. The other year good. But you don't know coming down these few months things was getting out of hand. In the end, I'm just saying, people, things getting out of hand. Woman says she want left, she can't take it no more. But in the end, people, the woman and them finished, people, you don't know she have a lot to get. She have maybe half of that to get. And in the end, only way to stop her is to get rid of her out of the picture. But you have to do it in a way you wish. It don't look so, oh, NEWLINK, just say something NEWLINK, look around the corner. Oh, so something going to go down, you know. When they go court now, okay, the business is there. So everything from the business now, oh, it's going to share, it's going to split. So when it's split now, oh, if she alive, she going to get this big sum. Oh, me I go look, me lose. Me can't make that girl win me. Plus she I go go with the next man because she young and she nice and she look good. Oh, me I get whole and grey now. Oh, me soon gone. And she I go with all of my earnings. No sign of work, so me have to find a way to do this. Me do it already, you know, a couple of years ago, so me can't do it back. Oh, NEWLINK, this attack. Oh, my world, oh, my precious NEWLINK. It's happening, man. So what I'm talking about, viewers and subscribers. Use this, something not right. And that's what I'm saying. Some real investigations need to dig up. It don't want no police from Portland who know nobody who know this. Some real private. And I'm thinking and I'm saying, people, it's full time now for our government in Jamaica focus more on things like these drastic crime, because we have seen where things like this happening now. It come on the news, yeah. It come on TVJ. It come on CVM. It come on Loop. It come on other news outlets. NEWLINK, black about it and talk about it. Yes. Then afterwards, couple of weeks, couple of months, it finished, it done. Yesterday, it was the funeral for her. Then it done. People are living their life normal. It need to stop. Things like these need to stop. The government of Jamaica need to have a benign budget when put some money aside and say, listen, these are for these type of crimes. When we have got brought in some real investigators from over USR where they want to them from England, them forensic man who can pay their money to come solve these things. Because it's unfair to know people losing their loved ones and the cruel-hearted people them can be someone who was really close to them and they are living this big life same way while people gone and perish. Because the way people are staying nowadays, people, most times you see these people with money. I'm not judging nobody who rich or nothing, I'm not talking nothing bad, but plenty of people who you see have money people, they are evilous. They're evilous. You serve God, you believe in the Almighty, but they don't. Plenty rich people who you see out there, they don't believe in the Almighty. So when I see things like these people, oh my word, oh my precious NEWLINK, attack. And because I can't blast the attack, you know more blast the attack people, but wait, the attack soon blast wicked than this. But I'm telling the viewers and subscribers, something not right. And using your head and look into things, something is big behind this. Nobody not just see this female and just take her, carry her around this and go push to her. No. But people do know. Family is mourning. Her sister is mourning so much because I heard that she have a sister that then they close like some people. You know, like when two breadfruit they one tree and then join together and they have juke one, they now come and they have juke one till the two of them just drop. So they was close together. They said I heard that their father was a really great man, people in Portland. Very good man. And a lot of things attack. Plenty things attack. You know what I mean? But just sees and he knows. And everything shall come to light. So the thing we have done at Chilani there. For the first week, everything was good. Second week, everything was good. Third week, everything come to light. Everything root up the third week. Remember, you know? Then come on news and they act. And if you say everything did good, but it a work. Jana start work. Female, rest in peace. We have seen the love for her people. She was really loved. A lot of people say they still can't believe. You know? Rest in peace. But everything shall come to light. You don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, people. And just don't say we are keeping it too long in the people. And again, just want to big up the viewers them and the subscribers them everywhere. If you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell icon so NEWLINK drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram, NEWLINK_production official. On Facebook, NEWLINK Production. On Twitter, NEWLINK Production. Remember, get the NEWLINK shirt them hot, them bad. Attack them, see it ya. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Peace out. I'm out.